Hi, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from the United States. This is from down south in California. This is from Vite Ramen. This is their new stuff. Let's check it out. Hey, shirts. There we go, that's better. Yeah, check these out. They sent some cool shirts. Nice to have shirts come from noodle companies that fit, you know. Here's what it has on the front. It says, send nudes. And on the back, Vite Ramen. So that's pretty rad. Thanks. Oh wow, they sent a few of them. Oh cool, hey Miles, you might be able to fit one of these. Yeah, it's still a little big, but you'll get there, bud. Extra small. Oh wow, these are different shirts. Yeah, check that out. It's got a big old Vite V on it, and then it's got the thing on the back. Cool. Wow. I am honored to be the recipient of clothing that I can now wear. I really like that. Thank you very much. What else is in here? Oh wow. Spoons. I think a lot of people refer to those as wonton soup spoons, but I think generally they're referred to as soup spoons in Asia. We just generally only have them with wonton soup here. And here is their soy sauce chicken in the new version. The old version packaging was kind of more of a matte finish. This one's much more glossy. And you'll see right by the V 1.1. That means this is version 1.1. And then we have version 1.1 of the garlic pork, and then version 1.1 of the vegan miso. So cool, all three versions, all new. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Vite Ramen down in California. Thanks for the noodles, the utensils, and the new fancy attire. I'll be reviewing these very soon and definitely looking forward to it, seeing what the differences are going to be. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.